If you've been thinking about trading in those cold winters for year-round sunshine, you're going to love what I'm about to show you. Today we're exploring one of Vero Beach's newest coastal communities that combines new construction living with that laid-back, small-town beach vibe that makes this area so special. I'm going to show you what makes these homes stand out, why this location is perfect for anyone relocating to Florida, and how close you'll be to everything, from the beach to dining to that relaxed Florida lifestyle that everyone's talking about. By the way, I help people just like you every week who want to make the right move here in Vero Beach, and I'd love to help you too. The best way to reach me is by calling, texting, or emailing me, so I'll put my info up on the screen now, or you can also click the link in the description to book a private call with me. So this is their designer suite bay model, which showcases Toll Brothers' luxury touches. This home can be built with just over 2,200 square feet under air, 3 bedrooms and a den or an office off from the foyer, 2.5 or 3 full bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. In the heart of the home, you'll find the kitchen overlooking the dining room, great room, and lanai out back, with a massive pool wrapping around the entire backyard. The master suite takes up the entire left wing of the home, with an oversized shower, freestanding tub, and walk-in closet. Starting in the 500s, this community offers a great value, whether you're building from scratch or looking to purchase one of their quicker delivery homes in time for season. I've been able to help clients lock in lower interest rates, take care of their closing costs, and overall save more money when purchasing a new home here. And where we are today in Vero Beach is a new coastal community, and it's only 8 minutes from Wabasso Beach, 10 minutes from downtown, and 12 minutes to Oceanside on the island. It is a perfect location. You'll find so many different restaurants and boutique shops, art, boating, golf, anything you could want, you can find while still having that small town, old Florida feel. The community itself has a lower HOA than most other communities, under $300 a month, and there is no CDD. We also have lower taxes in Vero, and no state income tax if you're coming from up north. Thinking about making a move to Vero Beach, whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or just looking for that year-round sunshine, I'd love to be your local guide. I help people just like you every single week, specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood, to navigating new construction, to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here on the Treasure Coast. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your relocation and new construction expert, and let's work together to find your dream home. If you've been thinking about leaving those cold winters behind and starting your new chapter here in Florida, Vero Beach might just be exactly what you've been looking for. I help people just like you every single week make the move to the Treasure Coast, so whether you're relocating full-time or just looking for your winter getaway. So if you're ready to take the next step, reach out anytime, call, text, or email me using the info I put on the screen now, or you can click the link in the description to schedule a private call.